Just trying to give us people over there, maybe. Alright guys, this is the food lane.
What's Hudson looking at this street?
Santa.
Oh, and he's checking out Santa. Oh, Hudson, you can't have chocolate. That's not for doggos. Oh, no, it's not for you, sweet boy.
That's not for you.
He's like, oh, do I want to pay by square? Yes. Hudson would like to pay.
We need a reader.
Yeah, Hudson, get out your reader. Get out your reader.
Come on, Mr. Hudson. Watch out, Mr. Hudson.
Yeah, he's going in.
Oh, really?
It's a double wide.
That's where it started. Don't forget to
Oh, look, they built stuff on top of the bushes. Yeah, look, they built stuff over the bushes in the middle.
Oh, wow. Look at all this. Oh, this is a food section. This is going to be Hudson's favorite section over here.
Yeah, you want to go down this way. You could just show the food.
Let's make
You'll show the food. I'll wait down here.
Hudson out of the thicker the area.
Yeah.
It's thick here. Here's a pie shop.
Oh, the whoopee company.
I think they like it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like the
Honey, the whoopee cushion.
Yeah. The whoopie pie.
Yeah. We used to call it whoopee cushion.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my days. Look at all the food. This is where the money is.
Yeah, this is the food frenzy over
Yeah,
here.
this is where all the money is right here. All the food. Food time.
I don't know, guys. I can see getting hot chocolate, but not an ice cream cone.
I would-
It's too cold to have ice cream cone. No, it's too cold.
Alright, so do you want me to wait here? I'm going to show that little bit of food court. Go ahead, madam.
You can wait over here.
I'll stand right here, madam.
Yeah, no, like I have to wait
Hi, baby. I'm fine.
No, it's not.
Hi, Hudson.
There he is.
James, do you see, like, if you look at the overview, look how crowded it is in this
Yeah, they added these. These weren't here yesterday.
Wow. Come on, Mr. Hudson.
My original plan was to go to the store.
Oh my God, Hudson's just like, he smells the pizza.
Feeling food.
Yeah, he smells the pizza. He's like, oh, I'm in the food section. He's like, yeah, and then the line. Oh my God, he's like, maybe they have crust for me. I don't know, Hudson. Let's see. Maybe they do. Would you like to give him a piece of crust? He'll eat it. Yes, they said yes. Oh, he says thank you. That's his favorite food, pizza. He's recording you now. Now, is this pizza from the truffle list?
Yeah.
Get it right
Can I
there?
give him a pepperoni?
Oh, he love it. Yeah, of course. Whatever you want to give him, he'll eat. Oh my God, no, that. She said, would he eat pepperoni? Like, of course. He will. He'll sit. Sit, and he'll give you paw and everything.
Can I get paw? Do you
Yes.
want to before?
Yeah, he's recording and I'm recording. We're live streaming now. If you want to say hi to somebody. This is Hudson. Okay, guys, look, she's gonna give him a whole slice. Oh my God.
Oh, look at Hudson.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wait a minute. I have to break it in small pieces for him.
Yeah, get the pepperoni.
There we go. We're helping him. He's getting it all. Oh, it's so nice and warm too. Oh, you're too generous.
How is it?
Hudson loves it.
In New York, you got better. Thank you,
Hudson,
Hudson.
thank you. It's if you want to watch it and say hi, it's James and Karla. If you want to take a picture, that's on his thing. Okay, hold on. She's gonna get a picture on her phone. He'll pose with you too if you want.
Oh my God, stop.
Okay,
That's
Hudson.
so cute.
She's gonna get a picture of you.
Don't break my phone.
Gotta get his pizza.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, thank you. No, thank you. Hudson, thank you. You've made his day. And then now he's officially tried the pizza by the truffle list. It gets a 4 paws up for Hudson. Look at he's trying to eat the napkins even. Oh my God. He acts like he's
Yeah, ready to go back to the next person.
Wow. So you know why?
Right here.
Now here's the beautiful carousel. That looks nice. You want to go right over here?
Right there is good.
Yeah, Vincent said she's such a nice lady. Yeah, she said.
Yeah, fantastic.
She said she wanted to give the pizza to Hudson. They said, of course I'd like to give Hudson pizza. Cynthia Orr says Hudson took the pizza like a champ. Yeah, exactly, like a champ. I don't know if somebody wants to, or you want to show them there. Pizza says Hudson's the Okay, here we go. Want to continue on?
Yeah. Look how big Hudson.
Curd.
Yeah, curd. What is that? House cook?
Yeah, like, like curd.
Cheese, right?
Curds in a way.
Yeah. Go ahead, madam.
Like little cheese balls.
Yeah. Hudson, let madam pass. Hey, look at Lord Kimball. Hey, how are you?
Watch out, James.
Oh boy, right?
I just don't like. I don't know which way the salmon swim. Look,
the other one, see the ugly guy. Out of Potchki.
So I think Hudson maybe we'll get out of the food area. Should I go more to the
No, let's just go straight.
and then I'll go back to this
Yeah,
grater place.
grainer.
Oh,
Cheese grater.
cheese grater place. Very nice. Oh, looks pretty. James, watch out, they've got burgers and fries.
How is it, okay?
Smell that.
All right?
Looking good,
I
right?
don't think they speak the Greek, I'm not sure. It's an easy. Not a trick question, just the burger too. Okay, Huds.
You're so sweet. Good?
Cables. Yeah. Slip and
Why don't we
fall.
stay along
Nice
this
slip and
line?
fall lost you right here.
Stay on this line.
Yes. Stay on this line, right, honey?
We got socks from Savvy Lou, and
Yeah,
we
we did.
have a doggy that
It looks like Hudson.
we have a doggy that looks like red like
Like Hudson. Go Rangers, huh? Gretzky. Throwback jerseys. Nice.
I saw. Oh, how cute.
Made it. Oh, it's American Staffordshire Terrier.
That's a pretty dog.
Oh, thanks. He's 12.
Am I okay? Can I pet you?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's a pretty dog. He's very handsome.
Thank
There's
you.
even a dog poncho.
A dog poncho.
See it?
Gotcha.
It's a little small, you know, that would fit.
Yeah. What do you think? You want some water? Maybe over here?
You need water, James?
Yeah.
Is that what you said? Okay, I'll get
Let's
it.
go over there, but it's quiet for a second.
Oh, they don't have the train this year.
No,
They used to put
And then this they light up as a Christmas tree. That's not ready yet.
Oh, yeah, this looks pretty.
No, the
now.
building.
Right, this looks pretty.
Yeah. Here, grab me a water.
Here you go, James. Because I have to deal, get the battery, okay? Yeah, smelling all the drinks now.
Yeah. Where's it, hon? There we go. You want to show this inner row?
Yeah, I will, but I have to get the, oh, so sorry. I have to get the battery.
Oh, okay. That's where he's going, baby. Maybe he wants to leave it.
I think he saw a squirrel.
Did you see a squirrel? No. Is it a big squirrel or a little squirrel? What did you see? What did you see? Yeah. Look at this. Yes. Right.
Oh, here comes the train.
See a good filmmaker?
Yeah, he's awesome.
Yeah.
Cinematographer.
He is.
That's what he prefers.
Extraordinary.
Oh, yeah. He's got a good eye.
Sweet baby. Yeah, he records all his adventures for our
You're so
YouTube
handsome.
channel.
You're so handsome, buddy.
It's on him, James and Karla.
Okay, all right.
Here we go.
You want to say hi to anybody? We're live streaming now.
Hi, Southern New Jersey.
Oh, Southern New Jersey. Extra good. Are you guys down on the coast?
No, we're just
We got him in 4 months and
Oh,
12
that's
years
not,
now.
not too bad. Not too bad.
That's funny. That's funny. We have a wrestling.
Here, do you want some cold water, honey? It's very enticing.
Oh, no, thank you. Can you hold this for a second,
holidays.
James?
You too, now.
Oh, happy holidays to you. I got it, James. You hold this for a second.
I got this, guys. We're on the west end of Bryant Park. That's so good. Fantastic time of it. Everybody's out. Everybody's having a fun time. Everybody's enjoying it.
James, just keep it steady for a second.
You beat this for the picturesque people.
I saw it, but it's tiny, you know, it's like a one little area.
Yeah, here it comes. See
There
the
it
train,
goes.
guys? See the train?
James, I'm going to take the battery, we've changed the battery out now. So if you want to,
Just wrapped around. I'll hold that. What do you need to do? Keep this out? Microphone, these keys.
just take that.
Okay. Just sit. Sure, got it.
And here's this,
Gotcha. Okay.
that. Or, you know what?
Hi. Hi, puppy.
His
Get
name is
that.
Hudson.
Hudson.
Sure, yeah, go ahead.
Nice.
I'm just
You're nice. You're a good dog.
Thank you. Have a good happy holiday.
You too. Hi, Hudson. I give you treats, but I don't have any.
Oh, that's okay. He just had a whole slice of pizza.
Awesome.
Yeah, New York pizza, right? No, he loves it. He's 12. He's cast iron. He's got a cast iron
Yeah,
stomach.
nothing bothers him.
He's like Rambo. He'll eat things to make a Billy go puke,
I had a beagle like that.
right? And then we had another one who was very sensitive,
Oh, yeah?
but he doesn't care.
No, I don't have to. I lost all mine.
They're the best, aren't they? Have a good night. Stay warm. Honey, show the train up there.
All right, let's
Put
keep
on.
on going. Let's check out New York Market.
What's that? If you're not too How are you guys? Doing good?
Vanilla chocolate.
I want a bracelet.
Oh, that's a pretty tree over there. What's that Ghostbuster? See the Ghostbuster pack? Got a Ghostbuster pack.
This is really pretty.
Oh, let's see this.
Maybe you can get a,
Oh, that's a lot of. If it's in butts or candy nuts, honey. But I'll get it.
Hudson, we meet again.
Hudson, the man of the hour. Buddy, right here. Hey, Hudson.
No, not me. Just
Oh.
so clean.
You know I wouldn't finish this.
Isn't it?
Dude, this is good. Yeah. You're like, how many jobs today do you have? Hair problem.
Go, let's take a man here.
That's an actual Bryant Park.
So let's you want to walk around this
The
way?
fountain, yeah, let's go around the fountain. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how they sit on that cold concrete.
I don't know.
I don't know how they sit on that cold concrete.
I agree with you. Oh, this looks pretty to decorate.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, why don't I stand right here? Just show this a little bit right here. And I'll go. Yeah, that's good.
What are you getting over here?
Yeah, let me stand right over here and just show what to get. I'll take some notes. Oh, that's an ATM. Yeah. No, I'll come with
How you doing?
Oh, Jesus. Pickle me feet. Oh, that's what
That's the cheapest you're gonna get red skates for.
Yeah. You still have Up you go, Huds. 1, 2. Come on, Huds. Look, you can't even stand there.
He has a GoPro, wait!
Want to say hi?
That's so cool.
Yeah. His name is Hudson.
Hi, Hudson.
Hi.
He's the man.
That's so cool. He has a GoPro.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Bye, Hudson.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Are you there?
Done it with my dad, my brother.
Oh, over the head? Okay, sure, yeah, I get it. Yeah, just hold on to the Hudson. Yeah, over there. Yeah. Over here, right? Like in here. The carpet matches the drapes.
That's perfect. I don't know how you can.
It's the usual.
Yeah.
James, I don't know if you should go down this section.
All right, I'll wait right here, okay? Honey, Karla,
Right there.
right over here.
Why don't you go out of the wind?
Yeah. Yeah, that was like mayhem.
That was
It
insanity.
was two child supporters from Georgia came by. So
Oh!
they never came.
Oh, I miss them. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, they headed
Where'd
in
they
there
go?
somewhere.
Oh, so maybe
You
we'll
wanna
find
head out
them.
over
Yeah,
there?
let's head that way and see if we can find them.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Hudson's trying to get a bride.
Yeah, he was trying to get French fries. Yeah. Oh, here we go back in there.
Yeah, but
in we go.
Like, when you're away from the food,
Say a prayer to the God of your understanding.
so this is more jewelry. Oh, it's nice
Yeah, that's nice.
Teach Joe, I said, I avoid places like that. I'm too proud of them. That food area, oh my goodness.
I lost my shoe in there. I lost my shoe.
These giraffe. Oh, look at that. And then you put your head there. See, you get
Yeah, see?
it? That's very cute. So then you can become any animal you want,
Right.
or robot, or look, even the pigeon.
I see it.
You can get that and then you bring it to the High Line, right? The big pigeon at the High Line. Have you seen it? Yeah. That's a perfect shirt to wear to the High Line. Oh, here's more beautiful jewelry. Beautiful. Leather.
Like this, but it's not that.
Wow, look at this nice deep area. Breathing room.
Gabriella.
Yep. Got my hat on.
More jewelry. Oh, here's look, because people, it's so chilly. People are getting old hats and
Hats, yeah, those are nice hats.
yeah, very cute. Earmuffs too. Earmuffs. And look at these. How sweet are these? How sweet are those for a little kid, right? Peaceful stone like, oh, look at this. Very
Mellow, the lighting is great.
It's Serenity now, right?
That way, we went to the
Serenity.
I know, right?
Right? It's like guys, after you finish going to the food section, you come in here. Oh, beautiful. Happy holidays. Oh, those look so pretty.
Yeah, they look fantastic.
I like those. Those look good.
They look so relaxing.
Yeah, it was super relaxing. Okay, what's
All
up?
right. So there we go.
Hi, Holly, 2013. Just sent us £9.99. Says,
Oh, that's a
love bodies in the
fantastic
chat. Begging for money. I'm happy to be a moderator because I appreciate you can't focus on it. I love that. Yes.
Fantastic job.
Thank you for.
Let me show you guys.
Hi, Lily. Let me fix that. Yeah, let me try that person that's bothering me, trying to ask for money. I didn't see that, but I'm going to try to find them. Hi, Lily. I want you to have fun in the chat and not have to work like that. I don't know. Okay, thank you, Tyler. I took care of that, and that person won't be bothering us anymore. But thank you so much for letting me know. I can't, you're absolutely right. It is difficult to read all the chat messages, and I thank you for that. And Tyler Billy, thank you so much for letting us know and for channel donation. Very sweet.
Fantastic job. What's going on over here?
Pigeon dog.
Perfect spot.
Mama Lambs, Malaysian flavors. Hot sauce, caliente, guys. Caliente, says Mr. Hudson.
Hot there.
Oh, look at these cute little decorations. Oh, how
What do you
sweet.
think of these,
$20
Hudson?
each, $3.50. That's a very good price.
Lace it out for you. Nice.
Lizzie Hatch just sent us $5 with the cutest little
Thanks,
emoji.
Lizzie.
James, here, why
Yeah,
don't
go
we
down here, over here.
say hi to Lizzie and Tiger Lily.
Fantastic food out here.
So thank you, Tiger Lily, and thank you, Lizzie Hatch. We really appreciate the love and support. Thank you, guys. Let me put my mitten back on. I take my mitten off, but it's cold. I put it right back on. You want to hold on to Mr. Hudson for a second?
Hudson series. Scoping the park for food. There he is. Trying to keep it straight. And it is just beautiful. Behind the New York Public Library in Bryant Park. And it's just going on. Right?
Yes.
Oh, Hudson's clean. That's good.
Oh, that's perfect.
There we go, Hudson. Nice job.
Oh,
That's a fantastic job. Yeah, I like those. You go to the animals.
that's what I agree. Dry nut of the palm tree, which grows in the tropical forests of Ecuador. Oh wow! So it looks like ivy. It looks like ivy, but it's not. So you don't like. It's not like you harm elephants or anything like
Oh,
that.
it's beautiful.
Wow.
Well, it sounds great. And they have like different
Do you still want your candle?
Do you carve these?
Do you still want your cheese
Oh
wheel?
wow! It's a whole team of artisans.
But if Jane
in
doesn't,
Ecuador.
if she doesn't, then we can just eat somewhere else. Do you want to wait for the chicken Alfredo?
Oh, thank you.
They want to wait.
Oh, I like
Does
it.
Jane not want it?
So pretty, guys. A palm tree nut. Wow.
Yeah.
Carved from nuts. Now, see, that's what I love about finding. Look at this.
Huh?
There's the nut right there. Wow. You learn something new every day. I've never seen this before. I love finding interesting little vendors like this. They're artisans. It's amazing. Love it. Oh, so many found
The girls are gonna go. They've already started.
Oh, I always jump stars. All stars.
Yeah. I don't want to check.
I've got a man.
Christmas market is amazing this year. I'm loving these vendors. Oh, look, so nice. Oh, look at this fairy lights factory. Oh, this is pretty. Look how colorful, James. I think this is the most colorful. This is the most colorful booth in the
How are
whole.
you guys today?
It is actually, yes.
Yeah, right. It is. It's the most colorful booth in the whole holiday market.
Yes.
Oh, of course Hudson loves it because this is our dog Hudson. He loves balls. So anything, you know, to him these could be toys.
No.
They're not toys, Hudson. You don't want to eat those. They're not toys. You can damage them. Oh, he's like, but.
But I want them.
It looks like you're working.
It's circling the entire fucking park. It was like a mile long place.
Which direction are we going now, James?
Oh, you want to go with honey?
This is food over here. Up here now?
Oh, yeah, really.
But I was waiting.
It says, I ain't no holla back girl.
Yeah, honey.
Blown away, yep. These are pretty, aren't they, James?
Yeah, real nice. Blown away.
What's that?
Fluffy alpacas, how sweet, right?
Oh, those are adorable. The alpaca.
Yeah, the alpacas are very cute.
Tell me what clothes do I need to take? The horse. Kitty?
Over here. There.
James, here's some pretty Watch out, there's a big step here, James.
Yeah, how about that? Sack of potatoes.
right?
Yeah.
Wow, this is huge this year. I don't remember it being so.
Yeah, this way.
Okay.
I think I know it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, nice. There's more food on this side. James, no, I wouldn't go on that side. There's more food.
That food's the big hit, huh?
Yeah, that's the crowded area.
Hudson's level.
Yeah, of course, Hudson wants to go to the crowded food area. So
Yeah, he's gonna do that.
It's a lot.
Some hoodies. Gone to the dog. There you go, James. Hudson's found his booth. Gone to the dogs.
Are you gonna go show that? Oh no, let's show this right here.
Wow, nice. The holiday market.
I think it's kind of
Maybe down there.
I think it's definitely way more vendors than the Union Square holiday market. What do you think, James?
Yeah.
It seems that way, right?
Yeah, it's huge.
It's huge. The Alchemist, look at that, more glassware. Some socks, patches, and pins. So watch out some big stuff, James. You don't have to go back up there. Like this area is a little bit more open and you can really see the vendors.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, there's some Himalayan artwork. That's very beautiful.
Look at the prices of it.
Bigger this year too. Yeah, I mean, we've been to this holiday market, this Christmas market every year, and I think this was packed in here. Those look nice and warm and cozy. And here's Hell's Kitchen hot sauce. Oh, caliente.
Yeah, that was good. Holy.
Oh, wow, there's Times Square that way.
Yeah, can you see it? Here, just come over here and show this shirt.
Yeah, challenge. I get to do. Huh? You?
Oh, let me come over here so I can see this
I am It's not every.
No, Brenda, it's not clearing out of this. Don't crowd it.
Yeah, I found a little.
Yeah, we found a little area where we can breathe for a second. It's still just as crowded in the food area.
To someone that you people a lot of
Yeah, so guys, this has been amazing. I think Hudson had fun. We sure did.
Say it online.
I think we covered everything except for some one little food area. Tom says, thank you so very much. I'll look forward to your previous feeds. Oh. Yes, Linda, we did show the Macy's windows. We went there last week. We showed the Macy's windows. So guys.
What's the cam for? Oh, he loads it to his channel. He'll go home tonight. Yeah. On his laptop.
It's YouTube, JamesandKarla. We're live streaming now. You want to say hi to Karla? And then we put Mr. Hudson. There he is. Very good boy. What do you think of all that? Hudson, oh my God, guys. No, that was insane.
Oh, look at you.
Right?
You gotta count all the lights on.
Yeah, so crowded. I mean, I love the Christmas market this year. I think it was like the most fabulous. Don't you, James?
Yeah, I took a second.
Guys, fantastic job on this. Fantastic job on
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I think I need more to get my
Information with American.
super stickers. Thank you to all Plantation YouTube members for the support. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.
Sold out this country.